Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a three-course Asian dish that can be prepared in 15 to 20 minutes. So the main start of the show will be these frozen vegetables, and it's the Green Giant Japanese mix, and I've had this many times and it is delicious. And I'm going to cook that in my wok, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh broccoli, and to go with that, I'm going to be preparing some Chinese rice and fried rice. And this brand, I bought it many times, and they are not my sponsor. And really super easy, super tasty. And to go in the stir fry, I'm using, again, same company, the Sawang chow mein. And it is so delicious and easy to prepare. And that's why we can make a dinner in 15 minutes. And the third course is using the Shin noodles, and these noodles, they cook up. I'm going to cook them in my Pyrex and using hot water from my Keurig, and that'll take about 5-10 minutes. So with all those things on the go, let's get started. So I always like to start by preparing the noodles, and I just break them up into big chunks because it's one big old piece in there, and I don't want that to cook as such. And then you just dump it into a Pyrex measuring cup, and then add 3 to 4 cups of water. To prepare the fried rice mix, I have a 1/4 cup of water to start with, and I just dump all that into my measuring cup and mix it up thoroughly. And this makes a fantastic fried rice like you can't believe. So if you're lucky enough to find this product on your store shelf, good for you. So let's set this aside and we'll get the rice started. So to make the Sawang chow mein mix, I'll dump the whole package into another measuring cup, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of tap water, and just mix that up, let it sit, and we'll set that aside. So to my wok, I added about 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and to that I'm going to add in my fresh broccoli right away. And then on top of that, I'm going to add in my frozen veggies. And I'm going to put in the whole bag, because by the time this sweats down, it should be reduced quite a bit. So I'm just going to let that heat up, put on a lid, let it cook, and we'll get started on the rice. So for the rice, I'm using a long grain rice, and there's a 1/2 cup of rice and 1 1/4 cups of water. Just simply add that to my little pot, and that should take about 8 minutes or so. So let's have a look at the stir fry, and it's coming along very nice. And look at the nice deep green, beautiful bright orange, and there's water cashews in here, and the broccoli is coming along good. So at this point, I'm going to add in the chow mein mix, and I'll just put about half of it for now, and just mix everything up. And the chow mein mix will thicken up once it gets heated up, and it's going to be perfect. So the rice is maybe a 1/4 way cooked through. I'm going to add in the rice mix, fried rice mix, and mix that all in, stir it up, put back the lid, and wait about not even 5 minutes. And so the stir fry is coming along real nice. I'm going to add a few dashes of soy sauce just to perk things up a little bit. So that's about a good tablespoon worth, and it's thickening up really nice. And at this point, I want to add just a bit more of the chow mein mix and stir it up. And now the heat has been turned off, and I'm just going to let that sit on the hot burner for a few minutes. So while the rice continues to cook, the noodles have been sitting in the hot water for about 5 minutes, and to that, a little flavor packet came with the noodles, and this stuff is super spicy. So I'm only going to add a little bit, and I'm going to add in a good tablespoon of soy sauce, and just mix everything up. And look at the water, it just turned a nice golden color, and these noodles are going to be excellent. So the rice is practically cooked. I chopped up 1 whole green onion and I'm going to add that to on top of the rice. I'll save some for garnish on top later, and just give this a nice little stir and let that sit for a few minutes. So how I like to serve this right from the wok is to grab the cooked noodles and just put them into the wok next to the cooked vegetables, and let that sit for a few minutes, and any broth that's left over from the measuring cup, that's good the next day. As a quick lunch, really tasty, and that's it. So dinner is ready. Doesn't that look tasty? And it only took 15 minutes to prepare. So it's quick, it's easy, it's very nutritious, filling, and good for your body. So let me get into it, and let's start with the veggies. The watercress is nice and crunchy. The veggies are well cooked, but not mushy. These noodles are fantastic, and that only took less than 10 minutes. Excellent. And the fried rice, let's give that a go. Oh wow. Real, authentic fried rice, like topped off with some onions on top, and I'm a happy camper tonight. So get this thing and try it, and yeah, you won't be sorry. So thanks for dropping by my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, would be appreciated. And until the next one, take care of yourselves. Bye now.